Howdy, I'm Jacob from Biodiverse Environmental, and I will take you through the process of our dewatering operations. Before commencing dewatering services, Biodiverse Environmental conducts a desktop analysis of the project site. This includes an ecological impact assessment of the site, an accurate picture of the threatened flora and fauna species list, vegetation communities, and introduced species within the surrounding area. Prior to the dewatering event, specialised traps are deployed to catch as much fauna as possible before works commence, reducing stress on animals. Throughout the dewatering process, aquatic fauna catcher specialists traverse the water body and collect fauna using dip nets. This is usually conducted until it is no longer viable with the reduction in water levels. Measures Biodiverse Environmental use limiting the impacts to aquatic fauna include reducing the impacts to the receiving environment during the dewatering process and using mesh screens on pump intakes to ensure animals are not getting trapped and to prevent invasive species being transported into waterways. All native animals captured are transferred to a high-volume aerated holding containers with disc air diffusers. The portable dewatering system consists of 2 turtle tanks, one 1200 litre tank, one 250 litre tank, one high-volume aerated pump, and one deep cycle water pump battery. Once the dam is completely dewatered and excavation commences, experienced fauna spotter catchers will be on site and collect any fauna that still may be present in the soft sediment. The holding tanks will be kept shaded to prevent harmful increases in temperature, and care will be taken to not overcrowd the water containers to limit the spread of disease and predation. Non-native animals identified as pest species will be euthanized dependent on the species using the most humane treatment possible. The relocation sites are chosen on close proximity to the site, good access and minimal transport time. Similar aquatic habitat, macrophytes, shading and riparian vegetation is also a major contributing factor when choosing relocation sites. Once the system is in place, the plastic fauna sock is attached to the tank outlet source and rolled into the receiving aquatic environment, creating a low impact release point. The slide valve is then released, creating a high flow, low pressure release slide, reducing the process time and stress on fauna. The 4 main goals for Biodiverse Environmental during the dewatering process include ensuring minimal stress on aquatic fauna, ensuring water pumped from the site is responsibly released back into the environment, ensuring invasive species are not translocated and are humanely euthanized, and to provide a safe translocation to the receiver site, releasing healthy aquatic fauna. Our team at Biodiverse Environmental are specialised in aquatic fauna spotter catching with experience on large and small dewatering projects and dealing with EV&T species throughout Queensland.